Hello and welcome back to another Scalper video. In this video, we're going to be going over some secrets of market profile and volume profile, but more volume profile and things I've noticed um, with S&P and Nasdaq in particular. So as you can see over here, I've got my stand volume profile. What's it called? I think it's an SVT session volume profile. My bad. And we are on regular trading hours. Now I'm going to show you something actually really interesting. I'm gonna go to, I'm gonna say this day. Yeah, this day. I'm gonna mark value area low, value area high, and this is, we're looking at Monday's trading now because that's Friday. And we'll go into 3-minute chart and change it to electronic trading hours. Remove, and you'll see that these areas, even when it's not put sessions or regular trading hours, these value areas are still really important. I'm going to show you now. I'll go back, put this back on, ETH. You see it looks quite similar to, I'm just going to add this as, let's say, orange lines, clone that up as orange lines. If I go back, you'll see it's very similar to the ETH times, or the ETH value areas, like value area low, value area high. It's very similar, but you can actually find edge much easier here with the regular trading hours. Like this one, for instance, was not a gap up. When it's days where there's, oh sorry, it was a gap up. When it's days where it's not a gap up, like let's use, or where's no gaps. I'm just gonna check for a day like that. Let's say this day, Tuesday, 8th of October. Make this black again. Value area high, value area low. And now we're gonna go to ETH time, 8th of October. Now you'll see those value areas are much different. But the ones you want to use are the regular trading hours for, especially for ES and NQ. Come on, man. I'll just do this. Clone. So you want to use this on the 8th. You see here, doesn't reach value area low. But when it does get to value area high, you see reactions. That's what you want to see, a reaction and then a push through, and then inside here, I'm just gonna remove all of that, change it to 3-minute chart, the 8th of October, and you'll see what I mean. Like at the regular trading hours, the black is regular trading hours, so it gets there, spends some time, pushes through, and then that's the last point. So now if I open up CBD, add these, that's at 9:30 open. What you'll notice is there is divergence. And you can now get in much earlier or get better entries with regular trading hours then having to wait all the way for it to get above there and for VWAP to catch up. So you get in, let's put on VWAP. Let's go here, brush, delete, brush, delete. Okay, now you can see its divergence to point of control, and you can enter right there. That could be an entry for longs. Stop below this low. Oh, sorry, long position. And target is the next valley area, which there wasn't any. So you just hold for this day. Hold and hold and hold and hold. Let's say that's a target. Easy 1 to 3. No drawdown whatsoever. Could even go, yeah, I think 1 to 3 is safe. That's as safe as it gets. And now the other thing I wanted to show was this crude oil. It's gonna reset chart. Take this one off. Let's hide everything else. Yeah, the chart is clean. I'm going to show you guys something else that's really interesting. So when you have days like this, with these large drop downs overnight, or just a huge change overnight, you're going to expect, or using volume profile, you're going to expect it to always go to the next known area. So when it open up here, the next volume, the next area of balance. So it open up here. This was the next area of balance. This was the one below. This was the one above. That's the two areas you're looking at. And I'll show you on a 30-minute chart where that is. Let's reset right there. So this value area low was hit. Sorry, this one was hit. This is the only one that has a value area low that wasn't hit yet. So that value area high now becomes important, just like the Virgin Value area low is, but that value area high becomes important. Because that's our, like this one was hit overnight. That was hit. This one is already hit. This is the next value area low, which is really important. As you can see, that one gets hit today. And this is the value area high. So if I'm expecting that one to be hit, this value area high is now important because on this day, it would have similar market participants as this day because this is now a common target. And the people that are in on this day have similar targets on this day. It's as if, let's say I buy a mug, right? I buy a mug at this price, $10. I realize, hey, you know what? The handle of the mug, after 2 weeks, the handle of the mug falls off. So people realize that the market prices that in, and this is the new price at, let's say, $5, right? It was $10, now it's $5. The manufacturer fixed to that price. It's not going to all of a sudden go to $12. No, it will go back to the $10 baseline that it was at after the fix. So this is kind of after the fix. And I'm not sure if this lines up fully with some geopolitical stuff that's going on in the Middle East, but it could well be that was all just all of this here was just pricing in of whatever's happening geopolitically. Okay. With that being said, there is two new things you've learned about market profile, namely when trading NQ and ES, or I'll take that one off. When trading NQ or ES, use the profile of regular trading hours. Use that value area high, value area low. And when markets move really quickly and they open far away, make sure to use uh, the next area of balance as your market profile levels. Yeah, so where there's a Virgin Valley area low, Virgin Valley area high, the opposite side, the Valley area high, sorry, Valley area low or Valley area high that is connected to that Virgin Valley area low becomes levels of importance, and that's where the market will revert to, bounce from, and continue on to Virgin Valley area low or high. So with that being said, be safe. Cheers.